Hi everyone, let us see the next example. Simplify square root of 0.0441 divided by 0.000441. This is the first sum and the next sum is that one. How to solve this one? Already we know this one. Look it out this way. How to check it out? Square root of a by b can also be written as square root a upon square root b. Right? So here square root of 0.0441 upon 0.000441 can also be written as square root of 0.0441 upon square root of 0.000441. Right? Now separate them finding. Look at here square root of 0.0441. This can also be written as, to remove the decimal, what am I going to do? This can be written as 441 by 1 followed by 4 zeros. This is a square root, right? This can also be written as square root of 441 by square root of 10,000. Can I write? Square root of 441. Already we know this one. This is nothing but 21 square. That is 21 upon, here 4 zeros are there. So 1 followed by 2 zeros can I do? Suppose if you are not getting in the mind, then you can find it out in a long division method or by prime factorization method also you can find it out. 10,000 also same manner. Same manner we can find it out. Therefore, this can be written as how much? This square root of 0.0441 equal to 21 by 100. We will keep like this only. Then go for the next one. Square root of 0.000441. This can be written as 441 upon 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decimal places. So 6 zeros. 6 zeros for this square root. This can be written as square root of 441 upon square root of 1 followed by 6 zeros. Square root of 441 is 21 upon, here for every 2 zeros 1 followed by that. For every 2 zeros 1 0 I am keeping 21 by 1000. Is it clear? Now what is the sum they are telling? Square root of 0.0441 by 0.000441 equal to this by this, no? This answer is 21 by 100 divided by 21 by 1000. What do we get this one? 21 by 100, reciprocal I am writing, 1000 upon 21. 21 and 21 gets cancelled. 2 zeros gets cancelled. Answer is 10. Clear? Now the next sum you see. The second one, square root of 49 plus square root of 0.49 plus square root of 0.0049. See, easiest way. Square root of 49 plus, this can be written as square root of 49 upon 100 plus square root of 49 upon 10,000. Right? Square root of 49 is already known, 7. Plus this can be written as square root of 49 by square root of 100. Plus this can be written as square root of 49 upon square root of 10,000. 7 plus 7 by 10 plus 7 by 100. 7 plus 0.7 plus 0.07. So your answer will be 7.77. Addition once you take it out, 7.0, 0.7, 0.007. Nothing is there means 0, 0, 7, 7, 7.77. Is it clear?